After the controversial Madras High Court order advocating the use of castration for child rapists, Chairperson of the State Women's Commission, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Tripura, Tiruparana Venkatraman has welcomed it. The Women's Panel Chief argued that such a move would prove to be a deterrent in preventing sexual offences on children and minors. The Women's Panel Chief has also stated that she would push the state government to adopt the Madras High Court's recommendation. The Madras High Court had earlier said that castration should be considered as a traditional form of punishment for child rapists, stating that it was the best solution for rapists. Let's go across to T.S. Sudhir at this moment, who joins us. Morning, Sudhir. There seems to be a section which believes that what the Madras High Court has suggested is perhaps the best form to stop child predators.
Well, yes, ever since the Nirbhaya incident, we have heard these kind of calls for castration to be included as a punishment, especially for child rapists. But obviously, child rights activists, human rights activists haven't really been on the same page. But someone like the chairperson of the AP and Telangana Women's Commission coming out in the open and saying that judiciary as well as the lawmakers should actually go ahead and include castration as a punishment is definitely a step forward. And of course, will invite a lot of both criticism as well as discussion on this subject. I have been speaking to some of the lawmakers, not just in AP and Telangana, but also in Tamil Nadu, and they are of the opinion that this perhaps may be a little bit much, and it would invite the criticism of the human rights kind, because even when death penalty is actually given, like in the case of Yaqub Memon, there was a lot of criticism whether India should move away from death penalty. So castration as a punishment may not really be the best idea. What they are advocating is to ensure that children are safe, especially in educational spaces, because we have seen many such cases coming out of schools and colleges, especially in cities like Bengaluru and in Hyderabad, and obviously they would want to ensure that those kind of preventive steps are put in place to ensure that children are primarily kept safe, rather than having some kind of an extreme step like castration as a punishment for child rapists.
All right, T.S. Sudhir, many thanks for joining us at this moment.